add S for me. Cat turns to cats, dog turns to dogs, book turns to books, frog turns to frogs. One hat, two hats, clap your hands. One map, two maps, that's the plan. Most of the time, here's the rule you'll guess. If there's more than one, just add S, just add S. Yes, yes, yes. Make it plural, no stress. One too many, now you see. Add that S so easily. But wait a minute, here's the twist. Some words need a little extra fix. When the ending sounds like buzz or hiss, add ES. Don't miss. If a word ends in S, X, Z, CH, or SH, listen carefully. Bus turns to buses, box turns to boxes, buzz turns to buzzes, fox to foxes. Dish turns to dishes, wish to wishes, watch to watches. Listen to this. When it has S, X, Z, CH, or SH, add ES. That's the trick. Just add S. Yes, yes, yes. Make it plural, no stress. But if it ends in S, X, Z, CH, or SH, add ES. You see, clap it out and sing along. Plural words are never wrong. One too many, now express. Add S. ES. One class, two classes. One glass, two glasses. One quiz, two quizzes. Here those extra syllables. We're adding more. That's what plurals are for. Just add S. Yes, yes, yes.